Hello, good morning everyone. I hope you all are fine. Students, I hope you have enjoyed your holidays very well. But it's time for studies. So let's start your studies. Open page number 57. Because in last class we have started our chapter 10 Microsoft Office Word editing text. Today's topic is enter text. Enter text. Now, in this we studied about how we can enter text in Microsoft Word. Okay. When you start Microsoft Office Word 2007, a blank document named as a document 1 appears on the screen. You have already seen this. When we open Microsoft Word 2007, a blank document named document 1 is you can see on the screen. Okay. Enter the text by simply pressing the specific keys of the keyboard for typing in the document. Okay. You have to only simply press keys from your keyboard. You can see the letters on your screen. Okay. The flashing cursor, you can see a cursor like that on your screen. Okay. Marks the current location where the text appears when you start typing. This shows the location of your cursor when you start writing. Suppose your cursor is here now. When you start writing, your letters will appear here. Okay. This shows the location of cursor. You can type different characters like numbers, letters, symbols, etc. Means you can see many more keys on keyboard. Many keys on keyboard. You can type any key and you can see all these letters, numbers, symbols, these keys on your keyboard. Okay. Insert text. If you forgot to type something in between the text, just take out the cursor at the position where you want to insert and start typing. Suppose you forgot to type something in between two words. You can type, but first you have to just go to the position where you want to type. Suppose you forgot to type word here. Okay, you have to take your cursor here. Okay, and then start writing WORD. Automatically your word is appears here. Then click here, your cursor will be here. Okay. Your typed text will be automatically inserted. When you type, press something, it automatically inserted. Okay, when you typed something, it automatically inserted in your document. Okay. Next is select text. Before doing any operation on the text, you must select it. If you want to do any operation on your text, first you have to select it. You want to copy, you want to paste, you want to cut anything. If you want to do, first you have to select your text. Okay. You must know how to select blocks of the text. You know how to select the blocks of the text? You have to select it, then you can then format all the selected text at once. जितना भी टेक्स्ट आपने सेलेक्ट किया है, you can format all these simultaneously. Okay. instead of a letter or word at a time. Okay. The simplest way to learn how to select text is to do it actually. To do it, open a document. To select a single word in a document, just double click instead of word, that is clicking 2 times without pause. Here you can see God is supreme. He created the universe. Here suppose you want to select this supreme word, you have to take your cursor here and double click on this supreme. Okay, your supreme will be selected. Okay, now page number 58. To select a sentence, hold down the control key and click anywhere in the sentence while holding down the key. Suppose you want to select this line. First you have to take your cursor here, then hold down the control key and click anywhere in the sentence while holding down the key. Or you can select it by pressing the your left mouse key. Okay, left mouse button holding down. Okay, and then leave it anywhere till you want to select. Next, to select a paragraph, position your mouse cursor over the paragraph you want to select and then quickly click 3 times. Okay, can you understand? To select a paragraph, suppose you want to select this paragraph, position your mouse cursor over the paragraph you want to select and then quickly click 3 times. Okay, without pause. To select any amount of text, put your mouse cursor to the left of the first word you want to select and then hold down the left mouse button and drag it over the text you want to select. Okay, students, you can see you have to put your cursor here. Suppose you want to select this and press your left mouse button and move your mouse cursor like that. Okay, then your text will be selected. Next, to select the whole text in the document, press and hold down the control key and then press A. Okay, means to select for all, A for all, you have to press control key and then press A. Okay, after that your whole text will be selected. Students, you can see here selection bar lies just to the left of the left margin of the document. The mouse pointer changes to a right pointing arrow here. To select a single line, click once in the selection bar. To select a paragraph, click twice in the selection bar. To select the whole document, thrice in the selection bar. Okay. Students, you can see some shortcuts also here, shortcut keys. You can use keyboard shortcuts to select text in your document. To select one character to the right, shift key plus right arrow key. To select one character to the left, shift key plus left cursor key. To select one word to the right, select plus control key plus this right cursor key. Sorry, shift key plus control key plus right cursor key. Okay. Next, to select one word to the left, shift key plus control key plus left cursor key. To select one line up, shift key plus up cursor key. To select one line down, shift key plus down cursor key, down arrow key or down cursor key you can say. Okay students, this much is enough for today. You have to read page number 57 and 58 thoroughly. If you have any doubt, any query, then you can ask to me. Okay, bye bye, take care.